Just replacing the flex cables from the Zonda here. I'm putting, going to be having to cut these cables here, so I've taken this one apart already, and so you just screw this here off, undo the nut here, and screw it a bit more. I know, this should just pull out, yep. So you pull that out, and obviously you're going to put it there because it's greasy. Pull the cable out. And I'm going to replace these horrible plasticky, I just don't like these, I'm going to replace it with normal Teflon. I find these here, if you rev really high, these melt. Something with TFL, with integrated drive system as well. This melts, so I'm getting rid of this. I don't even think it's Teflon, but anyway. So then you undo the dog, and it should just push out, obviously, somehow. But yeah, that'll push out. I'll just feed it through here. And there you go. Put it onto there. There's lots of grease. And I will just replace these, pull this out. Same fitment with these motors in. With the coolers. So I'm using TP coolers, and I have to re-drill the little holes here. They're a little bit small. So here we go. Anyway, just clean my hand over here. So nearly finished this guy. This is probably going to be really fast, and it's not very big, but it's got a 3500 kV and runner on 4S, and a little battery mount up the front there. Super glued that in. This is 3500 kV, 2850 on 4S with a 3.18 drive and 120 seeking. Put another rudder on it. I'm using plastic propellers, 36mm. Got about 7 of those. I find them a little bit better than the metal ones actually. And that's that. And this guy here, I'm just waiting to put the metal rudder on that from the Vector SR80 Pro. I don't trust this. I think it'll blow. The rudder will probably crack. This is finished. So I put some more straps. 3660 2726 kV with a 4mm strut, and I'm actually going to run an Altura M640 from Offshore Electrics. It's really light and balanced, and I tried an ABC, but it wasn't balanced, and it was really heavy and unbalanced. So this is a nice light prop from Offshore Electrics. This will be running 5S. Got a fly colour in here. Some old cat banks. Yeah, just about ready. So anyway, the video was just about replacing this. Bit of a long video, but got a bit of a mess here. Clean this up before the woman comes home. Yeah, she doesn't mind actually, she's good. I'm taking over.